Are you tired of doing countless sit-ups and yet no results? Are you tired of sucking in your belly every time you take a picture? Have you ever wondered why your stomach stays flabby even when you try to eat less? What if I told you that one simple move can help tighten your stomach without hurting your back? Did you even know the biggest mistake people make when they are trying to lose belly fat? And are you ready to find out the real secret to a tighter and flatter stomach? If you nodded yes to any of those, don't worry, you are not alone. Belly fat can be annoying, but I have good news for you. It is not about endless workouts, or it is not even just about cutting calories. In this video, I will show you one powerful exercise that can help tone your muscles, plus an important diet trick that can help your body burn fat naturally even when you are not working out. First of all, I would like to clear something very important. There is an old idea that says the more you exercise and the more you eat less, your body will naturally burn belly fat. Please, that idea doesn't work for everyone. Why? Because your body is not a simple machine. The body is controlled by hormones, especially insulin. Let me tell you something. When insulin is high, maybe as a result of eating too many carbohydrates and sugary foods, then your body will store fat instead of burning it. But if you lower your insulin, then your body can finally tap from those fats that has been stored and they will use it for energy. And that is when you start seeing the real results. This is why low carbohydrate diets work so perfectly. They help to lower your insulin, thereby helping your body to naturally burn fat, especially that stubborn belly fat. Now on to the powerful move that you've been waiting for. It is called the dead bug exercise. This exercise is gold because it hits the deep core muscles, the ones that really tighten up your waist. And as a bonus, no neck pain, no back pain. It only targets the deep muscles of your core. It tones your stomach and it even strengthens the connective tissue that keep your tummy firm. And here is how to do it. First thing to do, lie flat on your back and make sure that you are lying on a hard surface, maybe on the floor or on a table. Just make sure that you are lying on a hard surface. Lie flat on your back. Then lift your arm straight up towards the ceiling. Bend your two knees to 90 degrees so your legs are off the floor. You must not be putting your leg on the floor. Slowly extend your right arm back while stretching your left leg straight out. Keep your lower back pressed to the floor. Make sure your back is not moving. It is pressed to the floor. Then bring them back to the start and switch side. So hope you understand this like times. It is just as if you are timesing something. Your right to your left. As you are raising your right arm, you are raising your left leg. As you are raising your left arm, you are raising your right leg. I hope you get it. Then bring them back to start again. You'll be doing it continuous as far as you can. Just for a few minutes. Mind you, move slowly and controlled. This is not a race. So why does this exercise work? This exercise doesn't just work your abs. It trains your whole core to stay tight. It's just like giving your tummy a natural corset. You know, when you're wearing bra, it helps to maintain the posture, you know, just keeping it firm. It's just the same thing, but in this aspect, it is even more comfortable than a bra. This exercise improves your posture and creates a natural toned look. Now, combine this with eating fewer, or let me say lesser, carbohydrates to lower your insulin, and tell me how you will not start burning belly fat faster than ever before. Try this exercise every day for 2 weeks, just few minutes in a day, and see the difference yourself. Trust me, your waistline will thank you. Do you want me to show you exactly how to pair this with the right meal plan? Let me know in the comments and I will create a full guide just for you. Remember, your health is my mission, so please keep thriving.